Okay, pulled the chicken out of the oven about 10 minutes ago. It's reading about 174.8 and it is now up to 177. So as you can see, you got a fairly substantial carryover. I also say it's always a good idea, particularly for a larger piece of meat, to take a couple of readings, and we're well over 170 there. So yeah, obviously if you're dealing with an at-risk population, if you're cooking in a nursing home or something like that, you are not going to take any chances. In fact, some of those places will actually have rules which are stricter than those mandated by the government. So we're going to get... It's really important you let that rest as well, so you can get those juices, have a chance to redistribute. So we're not actually going to take it off yet. See all this lovely, flavorful, crusty stuff on the bottom? That's called fond. And we can put a little stock or even just hot water on there, let it sit for a while, and then we can get that all scraped off and add it to our stock. So we're gonna let that sit for a minute. As far as taking off the twine, there's no real science to this. I'm starting with the one long one, and using that to kind of pull up, being really careful. I don't want to tear the skin. Just carefully teasing the skin back from the cord. Okay, just one more there. All right. Got all those off. Okay, pull that. Should now be able to pull that one out. So just take it slowly. And I got these other four here. I'm going to be really careful. It's very easy, and that protein will stick and it will cause things to stick to it. It can be, just, you can take your time. There we go. All right. And I'm going to let this sit for about another probably 5-10 minutes or so. I would say for a piece this size, giving it at least 15-20 minutes to rest, and half an hour definitely wouldn't hurt either. And that's really going to help with that moisture retention. I'm also going to get all the rest of this fond scraped off of here, get that added to the sauce, because that's going to add a lot of really great flavor. And then we'll be back to do the plating demo in just a few minutes.